Hey there! Let's talk about something super important today. Autoinflammation. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is autoinflammation? And why should I care about it? Well, let's dive right in. Autoinflammation is when your immune system goes a bit haywire and starts attacking healthy tissues in your body. This can lead to chronic diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and even some skin conditions. Not fun at all. But here's the good news. There are steps you can take to prevent and treat autoinflammation, and supplements can play a big role in this. First up, nucleotides. These little guys are the building blocks of DNA and RNA. They help in repairing tissues and boosting your immune system by supporting your body at the cellular level. Nucleotides can help reduce inflammation. Next, amino acids. These are the building blocks of proteins. And proteins are essential for just about every function in your body. Amino acids like glutamine and arginine can help reduce inflammation and support your immune system. Moving on to peptides. These are short chains of amino acids that can have powerful effects on your body. Certain peptides can help regulate your immune response and reduce inflammation. They can also help with tissue repair and healing. Glucan is another fantastic supplement. It's a type of fiber found in the cell walls of certain plants and fungi. Glucan can help modulate your immune system and has been shown to reduce inflammation. Plus, it's great for gut health. Finally, fulvic acid. This is a naturally occurring compound found in soil and plants. Fulvic acid has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Check the links in the description box below for more info on these remarkable products. Now, let's put it all together. Here are some simple steps you can take to avoid autoinflammation. 1. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods and sugars, which can trigger inflammation. 2. Regular exercise can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 3. Your body needs rest to heal and repair. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. 4. Chronic stress can increase inflammation. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. And 5. As we discussed, supplements like nucleotides, amino acids, peptides, glucan, and fulvic acid can help reduce inflammation and support your immune system. But always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Remember, taking care of your body is a long-term commitment. By making these simple changes, you can help prevent and treat autoinflammation and live a happier, healthier life. Thanks for watching, and take care.